OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will launch on May 16th in London, and on May 17th in China and Mumbai. Now that the launch date is confirmed, we can finally focus on the other aspects of the device. The OnePlus 6 is confirmed to feature a glass body, with round corners, different from the all-metal design, adorned by the previous flagships. This should also pave way for wireless charging support, a first for a OnePlus flagship device. The glass body has been reportedly selected among 70 different prototypes, and the final product will feature 5 layers of nanotech coating to give a better feel of depth on the rear glass, as compared to competitors. OnePlus India may have just released a teaser, which revealed the OnePlus 6 will come with a super slow-motion camera function for video shooting. The company has already confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will come with a 6.28-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio. The company has also confirmed that the smartphone will come with a notch, and there'll be an option to disable it. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, coupled with 8GB RAM, along with an internal storage of 256GB. Other than the 8GB RAM variant, the phone is also expected to arrive in 2 other options: 6GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The rear side of the phone is expected to feature 20-megapixel primary sensor and 16-megapixel secondary dual camera setup. It is also expected to pack 20-megapixel front-facing snapper for selfie. The device will come loaded with Android 8.1 RN out of the box, with the company's own Oxygen OS on top. Under the hood, it is speculated to be powered by a 3450 mAh battery, which will also carry support for Dash Charge version 2, that may let its users use it for the entire day, just by charging it for 20 minutes. So guys, what do you think about OnePlus 6? Share your opinion down below, and don't forget to like this video, and see you guys next one.